Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit photos using GIMP. If you haven't already, go to the GIMP website and download GIMP. Once you've installed GIMP, open it up, and now you're brought to this page. You'll see there's a lot of tools on the side here that you can use to edit photos. To start, open up a photo, and now from here you can start editing the photo. There's a lot of different things, and depending on the photo, you might want to do different stuff. So I'd recommend you going through all of these different tools and testing them to see what they each do. If you right click, you'll see each of these tools also have more to them. If you hover over each tool, you'll see a basic description of what they do. And once you've selected a tool, you'll see some properties that you can change down here. Depending on the image that you want to edit and create, you'll need to use different tools. Spend some time messing around with each of the different tools to get a basic understanding of what they do, and then from there, you can pretty much edit any photo you'd like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.